సార్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్. ఎస్ ఓకేనా సార్?
Sir, okay, sir.
Sir, any technical problem, sir?
No, sir. Actually, sharing won't come, sir.
నేను షేరింగ్ ఆఫ్ చేసాను సార్. మీరు షేర్ చేయొచ్చు, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. అవ్వట్లేదా
Okay,
సార్?
sir. Okay, sir.
షేరింగ్ అవ్వట్లేదా?
Okay, sir. Okay. అవ్వట్లేదు సార్.
లేదా మీ వీడియోని పిన్ చేస్తాను, మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేయండి సార్. మీ వీడియోని పిన్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే సార్. Very good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We have to just classification of elements. We have to discuss about classification of elements. We have to discuss about what are the different theories we have to discuss in the classification of elements, children. Clear? Here is so many theories are there. They are Gaussian law of triads, Newland law of octaves. Am I audible to clear, children? Am I audible?
Sir, it was striking, sir.
వాయిస్ కొద్దిగా తక్కువ వస్తుంది సార్. ఏదైనా అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ ఉంటే చూడండి సార్ కొద్దిగా.
Yes, yes.
ఓకే సార్.
Mana okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So, in the classification of elements, we have to discuss different laws. The first one here, we have to discuss about Gaussian law of triads. What is meant by triad, children? Triad means how many? Triad means how many elements are there? Tri means
Three.
Three.
very good. So here we have to consider
సరిగ్గా అవుతుంది
three
చూసా
elements.
బాగానే అవుతుంది కదా
So what is the Daubeney
మీరు
law
చేశారు
of
వాళ్ళకి
triads? Is
వాళ్ళకి
that
జస్ట్ వెళ్తున్నారు
the atomic weight of atomic weight is nothing but mass number. You know that the atomic weight of, for example, you consider, you know that lithium, sodium,
ఎందుకు వెళ్తుంది కదా షేర్ చేయండి నేను
lithium, sodium, potassium. What is the mass number of lithium element?
షేర్ కార్డ్
7 point.
షేర్ కార్డ్ అవుతుంది కదా
Very good. 7. Potassium.
39.
So, the average atomic weight of first and third element is equals to atomic weight of the middle element. 39 plus 7 by 2.
23.
With the value.
23.
23. So lithium, sodium, potassium. So you consider some three elements here. Lithium, sodium, potassium. The average atomic weight of the first and last element is equal to atomic weight of the middle element. This is the Daubeney law of triad. Clear on the Daubeney law of triad?
Clear, sir. Yes, sir.
We grouped some elements,
Very
but
respond అవుతుంది కదా
it is not suitable for all the elements. Only he explained very few elements only. Clear, Amma?
Clear. Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Example, another example I am saying. For example, this is the potassium. This is the correct for Daubeney law of triads. Lithium 7, potassium 39, 39 plus 7 by 2, that equals to 23. The average atomic weight of first and third element is equals to atomic weight of the middle element. This is the Daubeney law of triads. Triad means he considers three elements. That's what we call as a triad. Clear?
Yes, sir.
He cannot actually, he can explain for only for two elements. For example, understood this one, Amma? Can I explain the next one?
No, sir.
Can I say again?
No need, sir.
Okay.
Not needed,
No
sir.
need.
Okay. For example, if you take carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Actually, here also carbon 12, oxygen 16, all of us 16 by 2, again 14. But is it Daubeney triad, Amma? Because it's not a Daubeney triad, because you know that carbon belongs to fourth group, nitrogen belongs to fifth group, oxygen belongs to sixth group. Clear, Amma, all of you?
Yes, sir.
But so Daubeney says that here he grouped very few elements only. This Daubeney triad is not applicable for all the elements. He grouped very few elements. That's why the law of triad is failed. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next law is law of octave. Very simple one. Here we have to take to remember this one. Law of octaves. Who explained about the scientist? Newland. You know that the Newland is the musician. Actually, you know that music. What are the sounds in the music, Amma? What are the basic sounds in music here? Sari, Gama, Pada. Sari, Gama,
Pada.
Pada, Nisa. What is the first sound?
Sa.
It is the eighth sound.
Sa.
Here, first sound is Sa. Eighth sound also Sa. Sari, Gama, Pada, Nisa. First sound is Sa. Eighth sound also Sa. says that Newland says that every first element in the periodic table having similar properties with which element amma?
Sixth element.
Yes. Clear amma? Every first element is having similar properties with the eighth element. Clear?
Eighth element.
So know that Sari Gama Pada Nisa. First sound is Sa, eighth sound is Sa. For example, if you take lithium and sodium, what is the atomic number of lithium and sodium? Lithium is 3.
11.
Clear? 3 to 8 only, no? Shudama, 11 minus 3, 8 only, no? So, actually, the Newland law of octaves is applicable for very some elements. It's not for all the elements, up to calcium, because Newland law of octaves is explained up to calcium. Okay, after calcium, the Newland law of octaves also failed. Clear, Amma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, understood, Amma? What is meant by Doppler triad? What is meant by Newland law of octaves? Doppler triad means 3 elements only. Law of octaves means 8 elements only. Law of octaves means first and eighth element are having similar properties. Law of octaves. Law of octaves is applicable for up to calcium. After 20th element, this series fail. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Having any doubt, please ask, Amma. No problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you tell in question paper this questions forming, sir?
Amma?
In which form the questions will be asked in the question paper, sir?
Okay. Objective manner is last command. Okay. Last and first you have to understand the concept, last sentence and ask the questions type. Okay, now last. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
The next one, Mendeleev. Very actually here and a modern periodic table. You have to learn about the modern periodic table. Just Mendeleev, you have an idea what is meant by Mendeleev periodic law, why we are not taking the Mendeleev periodic law, and what are the drawbacks very important. Okay, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic weight. Here and now. We have to read the Mendeleev as well as modern with comparative study, because the case of Mendeleev we have to discuss about the atomic weight. The Mendeleev case we have to discuss about the atomic weight, but in the case of modern, periodic table, what we are discussing?
Atomic number, sir.
Atomic number. Very clear. So this is the Mendeleev periodic table. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic weight. Okay. In the case of Mendeleev periodic table, it is very lengthy table, and there is no space for the newly discovered elements. There is no space for the newly discovered element. That's why we have to discuss the modern periodic table. What is modern periodic table?
లైవ్ అవుతుంది
What is modern periodic law? How to modern periodic table? Modern periodic law. What is called modern periodic table, Amma? Yes, explain. Modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. Same.
The periodic table is taken by the numbers.
I can't audible say.
The periodic table is formed by atomic number concepts.
Very good. Atomic number concept only. Mostly explain the modern periodic table. So the physical and chemical properties, here law you have to remember carefully. Either Mendeleev or modern, you have to remember the law. The physical and chemical properties of the elements. Right, Anama? The physical and
And
chemical properties of the elements are the
Of their atomic.
the periodic function of the
okay. Physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of
periodic
their
function of the atomic
atomic
number.
number or electronic configuration. Physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of the atomic number or electronic configuration. Again, I am saying, write down, Amma. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number or electronic configuration. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number or electronic configuration. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nama. Okay, children. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number or electronic configuration. Clear?
Sir,
Okay. Amma, once you have to remember carefully the total periodic table. Just I will give the briefing after that I will give the note. Divided into 4 blocks, left side S block, right side extreme left side S block, extreme right side D block, in between S and P block D block, down F block. Clear?
Yes.
S block is present left side of the periodic table, P block right side, and D block is present in between S and P block, and F block is present down the periodic table. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, we'll discuss one by one about the blocks. Okay, the first one is S block.
Alkali metals. Alkali metals, sir.
Yes. Alkali metals. Good. Alkali metals and alkali metals also there in S block. What is the electronic condition of S block, Amma?
NS2.
PS1 and S2.
NS1 to 2. Good. What is the definition of S block?
The configuration is 1 and 2, sir.
Yes. Not configuration. You know that the valence electron only.
Yes, sir. Valence
Electron entered into the last cell only, no?
Sir,
Cell only, no? The differentiating electron.
Enters
Here.
into
A differentiating electron enters into the subshell. Here, the differentiating electron enters the S subshell. They are called which block, Amma?
S block, sir.
S block.
Clear. You know that definition of S block. You have to explain the remaining also very easy. The differentiating electron enters the S subshell is called S block. The differentiating electron enters the P subshell is called
P block.
block.
D block. The differentiating electron enters the D subshell is called
D block.
D block.
D block. The differentiating electron enters the F subshell is called
F block.
F block. Clear, Anna?
Yes, sir.
So, S block elements, general electronic configuration NS 1 to 2. The differentiating electron, the S subshell is called S block. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Alkaline metals and alkaline earth metals are equal. Yes. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Clear, sir.
Okay, clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Here you have to remember one. Somebody asked no. Here general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration they will ask. Here.
Okay.
General electronic what is the general electronic configuration of electronic element they will ask. What you have to write?
NS1 to 2.
NS 1 to 2 we have to write. Here.
Yes.
Understood, Amma? Very important. SLP block elements are called representative elements. SLP block elements are called SLP block elements are called. Next we will go for the piece of what is meant by P block?
Differentiating electrons into P subshell.
Yes, the differentiating electron into the P subshell is called P. Which block element?
P block element.
Very good. What is
NS2, NS2 NP6.
NS2 NP1 to 6. Because you know that P block is 1 to 6 now. Yes, sir. Okay. So here what we have to discuss what are the terms the alkaline metals, alkaline metals completed. Boron family,
Metals, metalloids, and non-metals.
carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, all the halogens and gases. All belongs to P block. P block. Clear? Boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, and halogens and inert gas, they are belongs to
P
P block. And S and P block elements, you know that the S and P block elements are called representative elements. S and P block elements are called representative. What are name for representative? What are the name of? They will ask. Very important with S and P block elements are also called as dash. Representative elements. Representative elements. Okay. Next. P block. Same definition. What is the definition?
Differentiating electrons
Differentiating electron into the D subshell is called D block element. What is the name of the D block element?
transition element.
Transition. Okay. Good. What is the general electronic configuration?
N-1 T 1 to 10. And
Okay. For example, for S2, 3 10. The 4, S2, 4 minus 1 of 3, D10. Ma, visible? Yes, sir. Visible, ma?
yes, sir.
Here, NS
Sorry.
122
Yeah.
సేమా?
ఇంకొకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
ఓకే. NS 122 N-1 D12 10 ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
For example, if you consider 30 zinc, example balance of quantum 4s. Instead of n, I am writing 4 n1 4 minus 1. Understood, Amma?
ఓకే సార్.
Clear to all?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
N minus 1 3 clear, Amma?
Yes sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Clear sir.
Okay, good. For example, if you consider there is an important configuration, chromium and copper. Okay, D block elements are also called the transition elements. Okay, Nama. Next, the D block chromium, copper. The structure of atom also we discussed about these two. What is the atomic number of chromium?
64.
29. 29. Okay, Nama. First we are discussing about the chromium, later we will discuss about the copper. Next, 3s2 4s1 3d5 argon 2s1 3d5. Here we after in structure of atom we explain fully by that. Because half in the d orbital is more stable. Clear?
Having
to getting the stability, 4s electron jump forward. Clear? Clear? Argon 4s1 10. Just I told no, d orbital half in the completely more stable. That's why the 4s electron jump towards 3. Clear, Amma?
Yes sir.
yes, sir.
Chromium and copper are important. Here, this also we will discuss, and also in the structure of atom we will discuss this one. Chromium and copper.
సార్ బోర్డు బాగా కనబడట్లేదు సార్.
Amma?
నోట్ చేసుకోవడానికి బాగా కనబడట్లేదు సార్.
Okay. Okay, Amma?
ఓకే సార్. నాన్నమ్మ చెప్పు నేను చూస్తాను.
Okay, na?
ఎస్ సార్. సార్ కాపర్కి ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్. కాపర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్.
Okay. Okay, understood, Amma, for everyone having any doubt again?
నో సార్.
No, sir.
నో సార్.
Listen. Upper atomic number 29. 1s2 3s2 s2 3 4s1 3 10. 4s1 3d10. Because d orbital of half-filled are completely filled, more stable. So that's why the 4s alpha jump towards 3d. Here,
Yes, sir.
So that's why you have to write like this: NH2, QS2, 2B6, PS2, 3. Whatever created. Otherwise, argon, between 2S1, 3D10. Okay, Nama.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Why do other acids movement carbon separately? What is the reason for that?
An electron enters into
Proton carbon separately. Is it having special significance or not?
Yes, sir.
Because all electrons without combination of 4s, they won't enter into the 3D. And only the exception is chromium and copper. That's why we will discuss chromium and copper separately.
Okay, sir.
Clear, Amma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I going fastly or okay?
No, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next, Amma, M block. What is the general electronic configuration?
చూస్తాం సార్
N minus 2, N minus 1, 2, 4,
తర్వాత చూద్దాం.
First, what is the definition of M block?
differentiate the definition of electrons enters into F block.
The differentiating of from corresponding to the absolutely clear. Now in M block, two are there. One M2. Another one is fighter. So the elements from A to LQ, A to LR. The elements from lanthanum to lutetium
నేను న్యూరా ఉంది కదా
are called
వాళ్ళకి ఫోన్ చేసి
lanthanide.
ఒకసారి మాకు
Lanthanide,
సెట్ అవ్వట్లేదు మాకు వచ్చి మాకు కావాలి
The elements from actinium to lanthanum are called
వాళ్ళు వచ్చి మాన్యువల్ గా క్లాస్ అలా చెప్పాలి ఏంటి వస్తారు
here amma. In M block, two physicists are there. One is 4M, another one is 5M. In the 4M, the elements from lanthanum to lutetium. The elements from lanthanum to lutetium are called lanthanide. The elements from actinium to lanthanum are called actinide. Clear? What is the general electronic configuration? N minus 2 F1 to 48.
N minus 1, T.
First. N minus 1, 0 or 1, minus 1. Clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
N minus 1, N minus 2 F1 to 14. N minus 1, T 0 or 1, minus 1 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The elements from lanthanum to lutetium are called lanthanides. The elements from actinium to lanthanum are called actinides.
Sir, clear కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
Okay.
Voice is also breaking.
Voice breaking, Amma?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, Amma?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Children, now okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay? So, just what we discussed today, just I will recall that. After that, bank to British bank credit, accurate valuation report activate.
Last కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
Huh?
టేబుల్ కింద కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
Sure. Sir,
Ma.
can you rewrite the elements forms?
There?
Can you rewrite the forms from below?
Okay. Minus 2 F1. Now that in that block, four elements are there. Here
Sir?
are
Okay,
Ma.
sir. Thank you, sir. N minus 1 of D is equal to 5 na rate, sir?
0 or 1. NS1.
Zero?
Or 1 NS1 to 2.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Now, once another question, another people they will ask just, am I having an idea now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
See the concept what we discussed now. I will ask the questions.
Okay, sir.
Which type of questions they will ask? I will ask you now. Okay, now understood, Amma?
Yes, sir.
సార్
Amma, first listen carefully. Over there, they will give some examples, Amma.
Lithium, sodium,
Which one is the?
Sodium,
Wait.
lithium.
Which one is the? Amma, listen. Which one is the correct for Dobbernear triad? They will ask.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lithium, sodium, potassium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So many they will ask. You have to choose the correct one. Clear?
Okay, sir.
ఓకే
Understood,
సార్.
Amma? From the Dobbernear triad, which type of question you have to understand clearly or not?
Clear, sir. Yes, sir.
And Dobbernear considered to explain about the classification of elements. He considered dash elements.
Eight. Eight.
Very good. Next, every element, every dash element have resembles with the first element.
Eight.
Okay. Law of octaves was explained by
Newlands.
law of octaves was explained by
Newlands.
లేదు
clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
లేదు సార్.
But the physical and chemical properties of the element, periodic functions of the atomic number are according configuration.
Modern periodic.
Modern periodic.
The modern periodic law.
Modern periodic table, the place of Spock element.
Left side.
That's it.
Side of the periodic table.
Clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic weight.
The periodic law. Mendeleev periodic law.
Yes, sir.
Mendeleev periodic law. Clear amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
The what is meant by periods and groups also tomorrow I will explain. Okay.
Sir, you didn't explain
The
extra
differentiating electrons enter into the S subshell. Then the
Yes,
elements are called dash block elements.
Yes,
Yes,
block.
sir.
block element. Block element.
The general electronic configuration of P block elements.
NS2, NS122.
NS12 or NS2, LP 126. Okay, na ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na ma?
Okay, sir.
Modern periodic table is explained by
Mosley.
Henry Mosley. Good.
Mendeleev.
Modern periodic table Mosley amma.
H.J. Mosley.
Okay, Mosley.
Yes, sir.
Mendeleev periodic law.
S and P block elements are called dash elements.
Representative elements.
Very good. Representative elements.
Done.
D block elements are called dash elements.
Transitive.
In M block element, the first row is called dash.
Alkali land.
Lanthanide.
Lanthanide belongs to dash series.
F block.
Which series 4F or 5F?
4F.
4F.
4F. 4F.
Actine belongs to dash series.
5F.
5F.
Clear amma?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
So, having any doubts on today's concept, once revise all the concepts, just having any doubts in ask. Okay?
Sir,
Periodic table.
sir, is there angle name for a block element?
Inner transition.
Block,
If there is another name for a block elements?
inner transition elements.
Okay, sir.
Transition elements is D block, so inner transition element is F block.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
S and P block elements are representative elements. D block transition elements, F block inner transition elements. Okay, namma?
Yes, sir.
ఈ ఊరు నుండి వస్తారు తెలీదు వివరాలు తెలియదు.
Sir, can we ask now?
Okay, children, once all of you revise 5 minutes. After that, just again I will recall the concept. After tomorrow remaining we will discuss. Just 5 minutes. What we discussed today, just read them all of you.
Sir, in Mendeleev periodic table, you didn't explain about the Eka boron and Eka silicon and Eka.
Yes, that just what I told. Newly discovered element, amma. Okay, I will explain for you. Okay, no. A newly discovered element, there is no space. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will explain. Okay, don't worry. I told no, there is no space for newly discovered element. Those, okay? Revise the concept, children.
Transitions, coding, bearing, bearing.
సార్ తెలుగులో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా?
తెలుగులో చెప్పనమ్మా.
చెప్పండి సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే. అదే ప్రజెంట్ కాదు కానీ రేపటి నుంచి ప్యారల్ గా తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ చెప్తాను. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్ టు ఇంగ్లీష్ చెప్తారు, నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు సార్.
ఓకేనమ్మా.
ఓకే సార్.
సరే,
టుమారో
సరే.
తెలుగు మీడియంలో చెప్పండి సార్.
ఓకేనమ్మా. ఓకే.
సరే.
Sir, will you continue, sir? Ravindra sir.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్ ఫర్ యువర్ కైండ్ సపోర్ట్ సార్. యాక్చువల్లీ మీకు చాలా బిజీగా ఉన్నా సరే మీరు నాకు టైం కేటాయించి చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్.
Thank you, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you.
Ma, all of you listen to him. Now time is 11:20 am nearly. So have 10 minutes break. Again 11:30 you can meet. 11:30 to 12:30 we can continue next subject. Before that one I want to speak one thing to you, all of you. Once listen all of you carefully. Here yesterday evening most of you attended that interacting training program for the app. Ma'am, on our Kautilya.com app, it is going to be okay na, which who are having interest for them, it will be provided. Okay na? And second thing is today's chemistry started with periodic classification, and tomorrow biology madam also will start. Actually she has to start today only, but due to some reasons she unable to start. She starts tomorrow onwards biology also. So day after tomorrow onwards all the classes that is on 26th onwards 20 as tomorrow 26th na. Okay, probably tomorrow onwards we will have serious classes, and first onwards we will have test series. First onwards we will have test series. For the test series I will give schedule. Okay, clarity not. And regarding other thing, that is financial matter, that is also very very important amma. సో మీరు ఎవరు ఎంత ఫీజు పే చేయగలరు అనే విషయాన్ని నా పర్సనల్ నెంబర్కి 94417815 నెంబర్కి మీరు మెసేజ్ పెట్టి, అదేవిధంగా ఆ అమౌంట్ను కూడా మీరు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తే కనుక నేను మిగిలిన టీచర్స్కి అలాగే ఇంకా మిగిలిన వాటికి కూడా మనకి ఇంకా ఫైనాన్షియల్ మ్యాటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి నేను దానికి ఎలా అడ్జస్ట్ చేయాలో ఒక క్లారిటీ ఏర్పడుతుంది. అంత చివరిలో అంటే నేను సపోజ్ మీరు ముందే నాకు ఇంత ఇవ్వాలని చెప్తే దాని దగ్గరగా మిగిలిన ఫ్యాకల్టీకి నేను సార్ మీకు ఇంత ఇవ్వగలనండి అని నేను చెప్పడానికి కూడా నాకు అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి డిఫికల్ట్ టు మీ. వాళ్ళు కూడా ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఎక్కువ పెట్టుకుంటారు, మనకి ఇంతమంది పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు కదా ఇంతమంది ఇస్తున్నారు అని వాళ్ళు అనుకుంటారు. కానీ ఎవరెవరు ఎంత ఇస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళకి తెలియదు కాబట్టి మీరు మెసేజ్ రూపంలో పెట్టి, అదేవిధంగా అమౌంట్ కూడా గూగుల్ పే కానీ లేదా ఫోన్పే కానీ నా నెంబర్కి మీరు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తే కనుక నేను సార్స్లో ఆ విషయంలో క్లారిటీ చెప్తాను. అదేవిధంగా మన ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా జరుగుతుంది. అర్థమైందమ్మా? క్లారిటీ వచ్చిందమ్మా? సో సరిగ్గా 11:22 అయింది. 11:30 ఒక 11:35 మీట్ అవుదాం. 15 minutes గ్యాప్ తీసుకోండి, 30 minutes గ్యాప్ తీసుకోండి. 11:15కి మనం మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనమ్మా? ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ జాయిన్ బై 11:35. ఓకేనమ్మా? ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ జాయిన్ అగైన్ బై 11:35 సో దట్ యూ కెన్ కంటిన్యూ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్.
ఓకే సార్.
బై నాన్న. బై ఎవరివన్.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్.
You'll even join by 11:35 అమ్మా. బై నాన్న. బై ఎవరు నాన్న.
Bye, sir.
బై నాన్న.
బాయ్ సార్.
బై ఎవరు నాన్న. జాయిన్ బై 11:35 everyone.
ఓకే సార్. బాయ్.